빨리 오랜만에 universidad.
Whether you enjoyed an extraordinary meal at Chart House, a cocktail at Bar 601, or a great view from the observation deck, we hope your experience at Tower of the Americas was unforgettable. When we reach the ground, your tower experience isn't over. Check out our Skies Over Texas 4D theater experience and take a high-flying adventure over the Lone Star State. You'll take in the sights of Texas high school football's Friday Night Lights and get up close and personal with the bucking bull at the rodeo, all without leaving your seat. Grab a snack, drink, or something sweet at the Tower Cafe, and bring home a San Antonio or Tower of the Americas souvenir from our expansive gift shop with a wide variety of memorabilia and collectibles. Tower of the Americas and Chart House Restaurant are operated by Landry's Incorporated. Be sure to try Landry's other dining destinations in the Alamo City, including Landry's Seafood at Rainforest Cafe on the Riverwalk, Morton's Steakhouse at River Center Mall, and 5 Metro Saltgrass Steakhouse locations. Thanks for visiting. We hope to see you again soon.
Alright, next is going to be right here to my right hand side.